friends, Running Kimono here. This is the best paper deals over at Walgreens for the week of the 17th to the 23rd of May. Now, at the beginning of the video, we're going to go into Walmart for just a quick little deal, and then the rest of the deals are going to be at Walgreens. So I apologize about the confusion, but this one is just way too good not to share with you guys. If you head over to your Fetch account, there is 2,000 points back on a purchase of Brawny. And if you have not signed up for Fetch, use my code. I think any receipt you submit, even Taco Bell from last week, you're given an extra $2 on your first receipt on anything. And the 2-pack of the Brawny at Walmart right now is currently on a rollback for $5.64 with the $2 back with that rebate. It makes it $3.64 for these 2 equal 6s, and they are very hefty rolls. I have a lot of animals here, and I'm always cleaning up little messes, and this roll seems to last a while. So if you have pets as well, $3.64 is definitely a great price point for 2 of these big triple rolls. We're at Walgreens, and the first deal we're doing curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and you're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. So if you remember last Wednesday, a lot of us got this booster of spend 40 to earn back 10 on P&G paper goods. I believe this is online only. It's not in store. That's my understanding of this booster. So I'm just going to show you an assortment of items that I threw into the basket. Plus, you can use a little discount code with online. In store, you can't. You're just saving just a bit more money. We have this large pack of Charmin for $21.99 with a $3 digital. That's why we're tossing it in. It's basically 50% of the basket. One of these cute little puffs for $6.99. 2 of these cute little puffs for $6.99 for $13.98. Unfortunately, there are no digitals to go with that, but I know a lot of people are brand loyal to puffs specifically. The final item that we're getting is a 6-count of the double rolls by Bounty for $12.99, and there is a $1 digital coupon, so make sure you have that loaded. Okay, now just to show you guys the chorus line, we have the 3 off coming off there for the toilet paper, and then the Bounty, another $1 melting off, and then using the code May15, $6.75. So the overall total for your basket is $48.96. Subtracting $6.75, you're at $42.21. So for the spend 40 to earn back 10 on P&G paper products, you are there. Free curbside pickup, some tax, and $4 in digitals melting off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $41.36, and you're getting back 10. Now, if you wanted to possibly throw in $20 of other products to also use the spend 60 to earn back 12, it would be a much larger out of pocket. But if you want to try to add some other stuff, if you had your eye on some Olay or something like that, I mean, why not? The rest of the deals we are in store, and this one goes to the Scott, the paper towel, and the toilet paper. This is one company, they have not really gotten creative with the price points and changed them around in the last couple of years. So I got to really tip my hat to Kimberly Clark for keeping it 100 with shoppers at Walgreens. For the toilet paper, you can either get that 12 count or you can get this 6 equals 18. It is lavender scented. I know some people, this is like the worst thing on earth, but if you have no problem with it, they're a lot smaller and easier to store. So this is probably a favorite of mine to get. And if you don't like the lavender scent, you can always remove the tube. These are the digital coupons that you're going to load for this fun little transaction. We have a 2 off a 2 for the paper towel and a 2 off a 2 for the toilet paper. Grabbing 2 toilet papers and 2 paper towels, it's $20. Subtracting the BOGO 50% off on these products, it's $15. Subtracting $4 in coupons, you're going to pay $11 for 4 or $2.75 per, which is definitely a stock up price. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And I'm going to let you guys know too, because I know a lot of people really do not like the Scott paper towel. If you just wanted to get the 2 toilet papers After the 2 off 2 coupon, it's $5.50 for the 2, the same price point. Okay, so this is kind of an interesting one. I was under the assumption that we had dollar coupons for all of these, but we certainly don't. And these smaller packs are not part of the spend 40 to earn back 10 as well. I did check. So this is a weird one that when you buy 4 of these at $5.49 in store, you're getting back a $6 register reward. Typically, they always offer us a $5 register reward, or it's buy 3 to get back a $3 register reward with the P&G paper. So they're kind of going above and beyond. They probably know you're going to have some company for Memorial Day, so why not do this? Grabbing an assortment, or if you just want to get the puffs, it's $21.96. If you have any register rewards, Tresemme, Colgate, whatever you were doing, Kenvue, throw those in. The Kenvue one, as long as you're not doing it with a booster because it's a store register reward. Anywho, if you don't have anything, you'd pay $15.96 for the 4 or $3.99 per unit. If you have register rewards that you want to roll into this deal to get a lesser out of pocket, I think that's the smart way to go because I could not find any digital coupons this morning to stack with these. But if you're anything like me where you have a bunch of register rewards and sometimes you forget about them and then they expire, this would definitely be a deal that, say you just wanted to grab 4 of the puffs, or if you wanted to just grab like something very specific, this would be the way to do it. And the P&G paper products are just a smidge bit fancier, so I would think about it. Now, those Scott paper towels that people are not a fan of, this is an alternative deal for $3.99. The Walgreens brand, the paper towel only, the toilet paper is not part of that, which is really interesting. It's $3.99, so a little bit of savings. And this is just a lot like Sparkle, so if you have used Sparkle in the past, they're thicker rolls as well in comparison to the Scott's. So grabbing 3 of these at $3.99 a unit. For 3 of them, it's $11.97. Use $10 of Walgreens cash. You're doing this deal with no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash. If you might have one of those Kenvue, like from the Listerine, those deals last week, I would, or the Neutrogena, I would totally use that $10 store register reward from Kenvue on this. Why not? And pay $1.97 for 3 of these. It's a really great product. Why not? And before I take off into the big sunset, last week made a video that this was 99 cents in select markets in the Chicago area. I know a couple of you scored because I saw it on Instagram and I got tagged a couple of times. So, Tuesdays or Saturdays, they have the drop whenever these will go down to 99 cents. I would absolutely ask for a price check. And you never know what they might say. And especially if it's not tagged at your store, that's when you might get the big bonanza. And usually it's a Tuesday or Saturday drop. It's not in the app for these, unfortunately not. But if you are near a store and you remember, I would ask for a price check. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.